In this video, we will show how to move and transport the Epson SureColor F9530H printer and how to fold the heater. Turn off the power to the main unit. Remove the waste ink bottle. Remove the power cable and computer communication cable from the main unit. Release the caster lock and adjuster. The printer can be moved over bumps less than 5 mm high and gaps no wider than 20 mm. To do that, besides the basic steps, you need to select Move/Transport in the Settings menu and drain the ink. We will walk you through the process of removing the bulk ink solution step by step. Remove ink tube connector, cover and port cover of the main unit. Disconnect the communication cables and ink tube. Secure the cable in place. Secure the ink tube connector in the raised position and push in the lever at the bottom of the ink tube connector. Pull out the tray to collect the spilled ink. Lift the bulk ink solution fixings to release them. Release the caster lock of the bulk ink solution. Pull out the bulk ink solution and install the port cover. The port cover helps prevent dust and dirt from falling into the bulk ink solution. Users can fold the heater to reduce the product's depth to 745 mm, making it easier to pass through narrow spaces. We will show how to fold the heater step by step. Remove the cap on the left end of the automatic take-up unit. Remove the cover. Remove the automatic take-up unit. Slide out the left automatic take-up unit. Disconnect the power cable and remove the right automatic take-up unit. Loosen the knob to the automatic take-up unit. Slide out the automatic take-up unit. To detach the drying fan, remove the screws. Remove the clip that holds the power cable. Remove the power cable connected to the drying fan. Remove the screws on the right side. Now, you can remove the drying fan. To detach the mounting plate for the drying fan, remove the 2 screws on the left. Detach the mounting plate on the left. Remove the 2 screws on the right. There should be a total of 4 screws to remove. Detach the mounting plate on the right. Next, to detach the heater, remove the screws on the right. Remove the screws on the left. Fold the heater. Fix the heater to the left and right sides, using the screws removed in step 5. Follow these steps to make the transportation more smoothly for the Epson SC-F9530H.